Hey, this is AyeBub's Car Life, and the car life is whatever you make of it. And today we got a monster. Not just a monster of beauty and power. So let's go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button right now, because this is definitely, we're taking it up a notch now. 2021 Chevy Silverado 3500 HD LT heavy duty. That's how much we're going for. Here's all the features that's on it. Let me show y'all. If you want to pause it, you can. This thing is gonna be alright. And for, as y'all know, matter of fact, let me just show y'all this thing. Yo, tell me, this thing is a monster. For some of you that don't know, I'm not no car expert or anything like that, so that's just that. And I'm just here to make the car shopping experience great. You know, check out some new crazy cars. Shout out to Chevy Campbell dealership for letting me come by and just, you know, checking out the cars. They said that this one was at a rally or something. This thing is crazy. Let's just take a look. All right, let's check this out. Do a quick little run through. Automatic locks, windows, things like that. The mirrors, you can control those. Nice little leather here. I like this little wood looking finish. You got cup holders here. Got a high speaker here and a bass. Give it the extra music. And we also have a step here that look like it's an add-on. That's so nice. Got a step here. Automatic seats there. It's also look like it's got installed seat warmers. Those have been, it's an upgrade. The actual owner, of the car dealership had this one. And you've done a lot of upgrades. As you can see, you can pop your hood right here. Parking brake. Here's all the different modes for towing. 2 up, 4 down, 4 up. Control your lighting. Here you can actually control your lighting to put lights to the flatbed, to the bed of the truck. Control your headlights, put it automatic. And here's your air vents. He also got a big horn put on there. Also installed, extra install. And then you got all your different aux modes on here. Has been an upgrade. Let me step up in here. Here's all your gauges to the front. Nice, clean. Up there, got your little thing down there. And you also right here, got your windshield wipers, turn signals, and bright lights. You work all that from this side. And obviously with the big truck, here's your big gear. Put it in gear, reverse neutral drive in there, such as that nature. Then you can put plus minus on the thing over there. I don't know a lot, but we come right here. You control, it's got a steering wheel warmer, cruise control. You can speed it up, slow it down, set it. By that, here's the big steering wheel. Come on this side, you can thumb through your modes on your front of your screen right there. And all you gotta do is go through there. Here's your screen. I run through all that. Go through your cassette player, control all those. Here's all this. Look. Here's all your air and things of that nature. That's nice. Go over here, push button to start right here. There's all your air conditioning modes, AC, all those modes on there. You can control your heat and cooling on that side, heat and cooling on your right side, heated seats on that side there as well. You can actually push this button, let your thing come down in the back. You can control probably this right here, this button right here, probably let all the windows down. Actually got a dial, not too sure what that's for. Got your new and old plugs to charge your phone. Cigarette outlet there. Everything got a big holder right here to place all kinds of things. Probably put change and stuff right here. Also got a good finish. You can put some things right here if you want to store some things right there. 2 cup holders, also a little thing in the middle. And so also, if I didn't show y'all the seats, looks like this was an add-on. The seats got the blue stitching in them. Nice. Right here. Come over here. You actually got a glove compartment at the top. And also at the bottom one you can lock. See, boom. Got that. Come up here. Look at that. Got a big sun visor with a mirror, no light. Got your lights on this side and that side. Run all through there. Here's your mirror. You can see right there. And also you got some room that you can just store some things up here on the top part. All right. And then when you check out this, you can lay a phone here, 2 cup holders, and also something you can place right here. Big compartment, store a lot of things for a big truck like this. It's also got a light placed here. Let's see, no plugins in there at all. All right, we got some speakers over there. Here's the roof. All right, let's go check out the back. We got 2 compartments, place stuff right here. Nice little different finish that's in the back right here. As you can see, you got speakers everywhere in here. Probably a great sound system. Also got some speakers right here behind the seats. Storage here. Nice. Then we got 2 new and old USB chargers in the back. Also a cigarette lighter. And you can also control the air from back here on both units, on the right and the left side. And also you got some upgraded speaker system that's under the seat. He looked at it a while ago and showed me. See, look how nice this is. So I got you 2 nice little lights and stuff up there. Beautiful truck. Beautiful. Let me show y'all. Here's your 2 mirrors. I'm not sure if it pulls out. Yeah, mirrors pull out, so if you hauling something big, look at the big tires on it. And the tires are 3 25 50 22s off-roading. Nice. Let's take a look around this. This truck's humongous. You got a lot of different things added on this truck. The big grill. Crazy truck, crazy truck. Check it out. There we go. Big Duramax. You got also an extra step stool right there. And come up here. Black horse added on there. That's some lights. Look at the tires in the back. You see that? Got a hitch here, and that drops on its own. Boom. Also got a hitch put on back there and a toolbox that's already on it. So everything's ready to go pretty much. And it's also got lights on it. It's here. And it's got one over there, and I'm not too sure if it's got some up there or not, but yeah. 2 backup cameras. Here's the 2 different, here's the plugs and stuff for it right here. Boom. Also got splash skirts on the back too. Step here. Alright, tell me if y'all like this truck. If y'all like this truck, I'm here in Bowling Green again at Chevy Campbell. Hey, this is a well-round, nice truck. Hey, just let me know. Tell them AyeBub sent you. Contact them. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for some more videos. Let me know what y'all like to see. I'm hungry. I'm finna go get me some. Yee.